Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use pre-workout and creatine. Mix pre-workout with 8-12 ounces of water and sip 20-30 minutes before lifting to feel the pump. Take 3-5 grams of creatine every day, with or without workouts, to saturate muscles. If sensitive to stimulants, choose stimulant-free formulas or split doses. Track how your body responds and adjust timing and dose for consistent results. Pair creatine with a caffeine pre-workout by taking caffeine 20-30 minutes pre-session and creatine anytime during the day. If you notice tolerance to stimulants, plan short stimulant breaks every 8-12 weeks to reset sensitivity. Continue creatine daily to keep muscle stores topped up, even on rest days. Drink adequate water and monitor sleep when using stimulant blends, adjusting accordingly for workouts and recovery. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab the Kindle Paperwhite for portable reading of training guides and meal plans. It's compact and has a long battery so you can study routines anywhere. I find it handy to flip through workout ebooks between sets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use a scoop or kitchen scale for exact doses so you know you're getting 3-5 grams of creatine and the right pre-workout scoop every time. Prefer taking pre-workout only on higher intensity training days to avoid sleep disruption. Mix creatine into shakes, water, or a post-workout snack for convenience. Keep your routine simple and consistent so supplements support progress without complicating your daily habits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.